Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, I look at what's happening and how much time it takes Microsoft to acknowledge an issue from when people start noticing it to, oh, well, there is. And that's when they acknowledge, because a lot of the problems that arised over the years, it happened often, and Microsoft didn't acknowledge that there was an issue, but we could see through here, and I could see with all the comments on the channel how Microsoft, how you had some issues. And when there's more than one comment with the same exact error or problem, it's obvious that it's a little more common than usual. I get a lot of comments on the channel of, well, my system is broken because of this. Well, it's not broken because of that. Most of the time, the comments are not relevant in the sense that, well, because of this, I can't do that. No, it's not because of that. You have some other issue, and that's not, what it seems. And if you have a one-off, oh, well, my computer freezes on Windows 11, for example. Well, maybe some drivers are not up to date, and there could be some things. Windows 11 is very stable, but you do have to get, the drivers that work well with it and the software that works well with it. So if your system is not technically approved for Windows 11, well, it's possible it doesn't work well on Windows 11 if some drivers need to update for it to work better. There's so many things like that there's one-off comments here and there that you can't really do anything about. But when I get an avalanche of 5, 10, 20 comments of people having the exact same problem, now you see that, okay, this is more common. The KB5034441 error at install is a perfect example. The amount of people that started going crazy from the start. Yet, it took more than a couple of weeks for Microsoft to react on this. And even that reaction, what they're saying is not adequate. I mean, what they're saying is, yeah, we'll get a fix done. And then they issue this page with a script that, just looking at the instructions on how to apply the script, copy the script, make the script run, and really you're asking people to do that? Yeah, of course, people that are enthusiasts, that are very well versed in their computers and technology, they can do it. But you're asking regular folks that just aren't there to do it, which is completely, shows the disconnect. And look at the time that it took for Patch Tuesday updates that were issued 2 weeks ago before Microsoft says, oh, there might be an issue with the Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 10 users. Really? 2 weeks later? How about a couple of days later? Not 2 weeks later. Of course, you got to take the time to see what's happening. But I'm pretty sure you're getting a lot of people who are not, giving you comments of there's a problem. So this is where I have a hard time recently with Microsoft. And their lack of communication or the very slow communication when something is happening. This shouldn't be, and this should be much, much faster. So hopefully things will get fixed for all of that, and for Windows 10 users specifically that now are having, some are having 2 updates that have an issue with Patch Tuesday of February. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.